In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Kraken to your Binance account. First of all, you need to open your Binance and decide which crypto you want to send from Kraken to Binance. Then you need to click on Assets in the bottom right corner, select Add Funds, and click on On-Chain Deposit. Right here, you need to select the cryptocurrency, for example, Bitcoin. Select the network, so let's choose the most popular one, Bitcoin Network, and let's copy the wallet address from Binance. Then we need to open our Kraken account, click on transfer, select withdraw, and then we need to select the cryptocurrency we want to withdraw from Kraken to Binance, in this case Bitcoin. Then select the network, in this case we are using the Bitcoin network. After that you need to select the amount of Bitcoin you want to send and paste the wallet address we just copied from Binance account. Finalize the transaction and in few minutes you can check your balance on Binance. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.